So back Gary, I'm gonna get my scapulars.
Hey guys, Gary here from MMT. I got the main man with me today.
Hello.
Ninj. How you doing, brother?
Yeah, good. Fix me up, mate.
Yeah, will do.
Help.
I'm gonna treat Ninja's upper back today, especially his traps, his trapezius muscle. Yeah, a lot of clients that come into me have stiff upper traps, neck, headaches from sitting at a desk all day, hunched over into that T-Rex shape. I was actually listening to a podcast the other day. And how much does the average human head weigh?
Is it 5 kilos?
Is 5 kilos.
Well
Yeah,
done,
really?
well done.
Yeah.
But
I was like, that's mad.
what about when it's bent?
Yeah, but when it's bent forward, how much stress
Yeah.
that's hanging on these muscles, you know?
That's right.
So yeah, we're just gonna relieve Ninja's upper back stress, tension. Yeah.
Get it done.
We always start out with the opening stroke. Heel of the palm down along the spine, just off the spine. It's not on the spine, it's just off the spinous process, and just clearing all that along the spine. So we take the slack, we sink in, and we're just tracing along this spine. Not on it, remember, because that would be way too uncomfortable and it would do nothing. And yeah, it's like a canal along the spine. There's that groove, you're clearing it along.
Hello, Patreonos! Patreonos!
Oh, you're in the
Jenga!
Oh, what? He's there. Come on, show your legs. Fight.
It's my turn.
Yep.
Right, I'm done.
Patrono pole dancing for you. Oh, yeah, I'm going.
Alright, grab him. Done.
12.
But just to start, heel of the palm, just to let the client know you're here, you're working on them. You don't want to go in too heavy first. Yeah, am I in the light? Yeah, because I'm starting to sweat already.
Perfect.
So I worked out the Irish accent a little bit. I think they don't pronounce the H
Yeah.
in the
Tums.
H.
The tums.
The tums.
How do you
Thought.
say? How do you say tums?
Thumb.
Thumb.
And thought and things like this. The third word.
Yeah.
You say tat. What do you say? How do you say that?
Thought.
Taught. Taught about that.
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 Sounds funny coming out of your mouth, huh? Is that the main thing you guys don't do? Pronounce your H's in your words that we kind of do?
Oh, there's a lot of things in it that we do different to you, bro.
We
Yeah, so the
Yep.
second one is we're gonna
moving right along.
we're gonna sink in again and we're gonna get that pisiform and clear along it. We're going deeper this time.
Yeah, it's therapeutic.
Therapeutic.
Yeah.
How was that?
That was great.
That was good, yeah?
Good pronunciation, mate.
Did you watch the FA Cup final at the weekend?
No.
No?
Fuck off.
The
Fuck
United
off,
and City
fuck
game,
off.
no?
No.
No.
Who was it?
United and City were playing.
United.
Yeah.
Ah, that's good there, man. You're on to me.
Yeah.
So tell us about the FA Cup.
The
Where-
FA Cup,
Who
so
plays in that?
you know what, Ninj?
Yeah.
I've been following football my whole life. I'm a Man United supporter,
Yes.
and are you a United supporter?
Back in the 90s, I think.
Yeah.
Back in the 90s.
But it's just gotten so soft, bro.
Is it?
I find it hard to watch.
Yeah.
So I've got into the AFL the last couple of years, following the Blues, and so you'd watch a game of football and you'd look at a man rolling around the ground like he's been shot by a sniper, that's earning like 300 grand a week.
Yeah.
And then you'd flick onto the AFL and like I was watching Charlie Curnow and somebody actually just stood on his face.
Yeah.
They stood on his face and then he just got up and just wiped the blood off and just kept playing like.
Yeah.
I was like, that's unreal.
Yeah. Difference.
Yeah.
Contrast there.
Sinking out slowly.
It's funny how Americans call gridiron football and they don't even bloody kick it.
Yeah. Well, they do the punting, don't they?
Yeah, it's hard to use their feet. And our game's got a lot more handballing in it now, whereas it used to be just all kicking. So
yeah.
The football thing is, the real football is the soccer, eh?
Yeah. So we're going to work along this medial border now. Hit them attachment points, the rhomboids. A lot of clients have got a lot of stuff locked up in the rhomboids. When you hit them, they really let you know.
It's good, man. That's where the action is.
Yeah.
There we go.
Your scap is easy to find as well, and you like it. Yeah.
Yeah, I think I prepared it earlier for you. So if I for Gary, I'm going to get my scapulars. Yeah.
Here's one I prepared earlier.
I was thinking of you, mate. It's all in the preparation, organisation.
Yeah, good man. Thanks.
90%, you know.
I booked. I suppose this is a good time to tell you. I booked flights home.
Yeah.
I'm heading home. I emailed Jace last night.
Awesome.
Yeah.
I booked flights home for the 16th, and I'm back on the 3rd. Now you see, I'm trying to say 30. The 30th.
The 30th.
The 30th.
The 30th.
So I'm back on the 30th. I'm going home. My brother's getting married,
Wow,
so I'm
awesome.
heading home for that. Yeah.
Awesome.
Cool.
Yeah.
Good
So
stuff.
looking forward to that.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, you treat them all, mate.
Well, I'm fully booked already for when I get home.
Yeah,
My
yeah.
auntie's got a massage bed in her house, and I've got to massage my whole family.
Yeah.
Yes, good.
Yeah.
You got time slots and everything already?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
Good, mate. Take over some wax.
Yeah, I've got some at home already. I made some up.
Yeah, good,
Yeah.
man.
I bought some beeswax on Amazon.
Awesome.
Yeah, you get it done. Fix them all. Get them to heal.
Won't be much of a holiday. I'll be wrecked. I'll be just working the whole time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That'll be fun. A big part of it's to catch up.
Yeah.
While you're treating, you can, you're in a bubble, aren't you? You can catch up even more fully, be more present because there's no interruptions.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, no, I'm really looking forward to it. Showing them this. I think I'll. It's life-changing stuff, you know. So I'll really be able to help them out.
Yeah. Beautiful, man.
Oh, a couple of clients last week. Got a bit of shit going on in here, Ninja. There.
Yeah, no. You're finding it all. You
Yeah.
sort it out.
But yeah, I had a client in last week, and his upper back was mental. It was like touching a wall. It was like so locked up.
Yeah.
And I love. I'll treat one side,
Yeah.
and just to look at the side I treated, like for say half an hour.
Yeah.
And I took a picture, and he wanted me to send him the picture because sinking out slowly.
Yeah.
Yeah, the picture is like this side is completely locked up,
Yeah.
and this side is just so relaxed, and it's mad. Yeah,
Yeah.
I love seeing the before and afters. But we're gonna hit the sub ups. Help me out there, Ninja. The sub ups.
Under the occiput, under the base of the skull, mate.
Yeah, the base of the skull. Yeah, the suboccipital ridge. Is that? I can't say that word, man. I don't know.
I don't even
Don't
try.
worry.
We're just gonna
Just do it for comedy reasons.
pin
Oh.
here. This is where if you're suffering with headaches, migraines, you get stuck up in here and trace it out along the subobstetic. Say it for me. The subobstetic.
The cameraman gets that. Suboccipital. Oh, I can't say-
Occipic.
Can you say it, Leo?
Can you say it?
Suboccipitals. Oh.
Suboccipital.
I can't say it anymore.
We're all fucked. Base of your skull.
Base of your skull, yeah.
Occiputs, that's all I can
Yeah,
say.
there's occiput there. Just, it's great, bro.
And you little bit
Man,
of shit going on up here.
lots of tension in there, stress. You know, every human's
Stress
got it.
of
Mm-hmm.
running your own business, daily life, bit of it all. Usually when you treat this area as well as when the nose starts to run, so you need to have a few tissues nearby.
Yeah, my feet are trying to run, mate.
You're going nowhere.
Nah, clamp me down. Oh, dear, oh dear. It's one thing, your face feels like it's so heavy into the face.
Yeah.
Rest here, it's
Yeah.
solid.
It's really important as well to just go really slow. If you rush this, you're gonna hurt them.
Yeah. Don't create trauma, do we, mate? We're gonna relieve trauma. The name of the game.
It was a great course today as well, Lee. Well done, bro.
All good, huh?
Yeah.
It comes out easy because that's what I do.
Yeah.
Like the last 7 years of Ninja Warrior, it's just what I do every day.
Yeah. Wow.
Constantly.
It's such a good way of living, bro.
Every
You've
day.
got a great life going on. Sinking out slowly. All right, Ninja. That's you done, brother.
Really?
Yeah.
Whoa.
So yeah, I'm still on the next gen. So if you want to get a treatment like that, hit me up.
Yeah. Fix up your pain. Get rid of the headaches. Tension, stress.
Take it easy.
Leave it. Ah.